Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upgrade your StreamYard from free to premium or the free to paid one. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do. So as you can see here, we are getting an offer which is called the welcome offer. If you want to avail this offer, you can also do that. So I'm going to open the link. Let's click on the link. And you can also open the link through the upgrade option. So I'm going to click on this. Let's click on this. I have clicked on the both one. So you will be able to see the both options. So as you can see now, the try professional for free, you get the free trial. So as you can see, full HD and the custom logos and these are all options. We will get these all features here. And then we have to click on the continue, and then we need to provide the payment details. For the payment details, we need to provide the card number and the month of expiry and the year, and then we have to provide the CVC code, and then we have to click on the submit, and the payment will be charged, and we will be able to get those features. So in this way, you can use the payment method. I'm not gonna input this. I just wanted to show you that how you guys can do this. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can get the paid one on the StreamYard, which is very easy. So see you guys in the next video.